Hi, I'm Robin Kay and welcome to my channel. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer and today I'm going to be doing this Happy Holidays from our family to yours. It's part of the Christmas cheer. It's got this one and the Go Away to the World, Merry Christmas. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. Comes with it. And I'm also going to be using this from the mini Christmas icons on my board. This board I got from Michael's, and the colors I'm going to use is Candy Apple, Bright White, Buttermilk, Green Envy, and Bark. Yeah, I'm going to start out by grabbing my towel and defuzzing this. Okay, and I got that on straight enough. I'm going to do with red, and I'm going to use this